Well, everyone is windy today, but it's especially the Catskills and parts of the Berkshires, Litchfield County, where the wind will be most enhanced, and that's where the National Weather Service has a wind advisory in effect until 10 p.m. tonight, with gusts, especially in those areas, up to 45 to 50 miles an hour. But I think anywhere across the coverage area could certainly get up to, if not exceed a little bit, 40 miles an hour. So it will be very gusty, and temperatures are very cold. 22 degrees Lake George, flag blowing around. Not seeing ice in Lake George yet. When you get the winds, it does make it a little bit harder for ice to form because the water is moving around. But several days, basically since Friday night, we've been below freezing, and this stretch will likely only continue for at least another 3 or 4 days. So ice will likely continue to form in spots that haven't seen it quite yet. 33 in Albany, that's the current gust. 31 in Medusa, 33 Walton, 35-mile-per-hour winds in Herkimer, coming out of the northwest. And when you get that cold wind blowing over the lakes, you do get some snow showers popping up closer towards the lakes and some mountain effect also. Temperatures right now range from 14 degrees in Indian Lake, 23 in Kinderhook. It's 16 Pittsfield and 18 in Rutland. But forget those numbers, because with the gusts, you could expect temperatures, which we're feeling right now, in the single digits to, in some cases, right around 0, to just linger throughout the day. And in fact, because winds are not going to ease until probably Friday morning, wind chills will likely stay at or below 10 degrees right through Friday morning. As mentioned, as we get this cold, strong wind blowing over the lakes, you are getting that mountain and lake effect snow that is very typical this time of year. Parts of Lake Erie, Lake Ontario, also coming off the northern parts of the Adirondacks and portions of the Greens, actually getting a little bit of lake effect off Lake Champlain. So locally, there can be some flurries today, but it's mainly those spots north and west that have a better chance at seeing some flakes fly. Otherwise, mix of sun and clouds, especially Capital Region and points south and east. Gusty winds and temperatures struggling to get out of the low to mid 20s, but feeling much colder. So gusts up to 40 miles an hour throughout the day, and tonight maybe they'll ease just a little bit, but still staying breezy with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Same type of deal tomorrow, except we're a couple degrees colder. Coldest day of the week tomorrow, windy with lake effect snow showers continuing. By Thursday, same exact story. Windy with lake effect, 20 to 25 degrees, but we continue to have wind chills much lower than that. Friday, finally, we start to feel better. We get more in the way of sun, the winds do ease, and we are a touch milder, so Friday should feel pretty nice. Our attention after that turns to Saturday. Now, we know there's going to be a storm. The question is exactly where does it go? Ingredient number one is we do have the cold air. So if we do get this storm, more likely than not, we'll get snow falling. The question is, does it go up the coast and give us a widespread threat of snow, or does it go out to sea with little to no impacts? Of course, there could be something in between where we get some snow, but it isn't too impactful. That's probably the scenario that I'm leaning towards right now, but this is still 4 days away, and we'll continue to keep you updated with that system. This afternoon, 20 to 25 degrees, windy, more sun south and east, lake and mountain effect flakes. Otherwise, tonight, 10 to 15 degrees, and again, those winds still stay elevated, so a bitter stretch right through basically Friday morning. Then the wind should ease, we'll get more sun. Friday should feel nice. We'll turn our attention to that system on Saturday. At the very least, we'll probably still have some snow showers around, and then a little bit milder. At least we crack the 30-degree mark by Sunday and Monday.